How we doing?
You hit me for my headlight, huh?
Headlight and a taillight, dear.
I know, and I've got to get it fixed.
All right.
I put a new one in there, but it won't. It keeps coming off, so I have to buy
You
it.
probably got a little bit of a wiring issue, don't you?
Yes, and I'm working on it. But I can give you my license, and I'm all set.
I appreciate it. And sir, do you have any kind of ID on you?
I have no idea.
Nothing? All right.
I do.
What's your last name, sir? Huh? Bunch?
There we go. It's in here somewhere.
What's your first name, Mr. Bunch? James?
There we go.
I think your brother was looking for you. I stopped him on his bike downtown. He said he was looking all over for you. Not trying to talk to him? No? All right. No big deal. When's your birthday, Mr. Bunch?
There we go. Here you go, sir.
What year?
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
You want the rest of the things?
That's okay. Are you the registered owner?
My son is.
Okay. All right. Modesto B41, 29 on 2. As long as you guys aren't on America's Most Wanted, I'll get you out of here, okay?
No, I'm not.
Number one's gonna be last of Bunch, Boy, Union, Nora, Charles Henry. First of James, common spelling. Be a female, last of Yeah, you hit the little curb there.
Yeah, I didn't know. I'm not drunk. I don't drink. I don't do nothing. But I hit the curb. I know. I knew I was gonna get stopped by that. I gotta get it.
What's the dog's name?
Monster?
Monster?
Yeah.
How old's he?
He's about 8.
About 8 months?
Yeah.
Okay.
At least my dog's not with us. My dog would be yelping. Yes, I was gonna get something to eat. I don't know.
Mr. Bunch, you're not on probation or anything, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay, cool. How you doing? Barry. Good. Yeah, that might be it. Sorry, my radio's kind of slow today.
Well, I know that, but you can't I put the light. My son bought me new lights for in here, and I put it in there.
Well,
And I may have touched it or something because it worked for a day and then it went out. So now I may have touched it, what somebody said. Or either that or it's the wiring. And then and that one, what is it? It's my right tail light or it's my brake light? I don't know. I keep forgetting to tell the
I got it.
other
Hey, James, what was your middle name again? You don't have a middle name at all? Okay. 710 of 81, yeah?
No.
Yeah. You gave me a different birthday.
523.
523 of what? 81. But that's B41. I'll take a 98.
bunch, right?
Huh?
Bunch. B-U-N-T.
T-S?
Yes.
B-U-N-T-S.
Yeah.
But that's still be 41.
I got 6 bunch.
You clear for a different last name on bunch? Boy, Union, Nora, Tom, Sam. Same DOB of 81. 52381. Well, when you're whispering your name to me, it's hard for me to, because I know there's another bunch, B-U-N-C-H.
Yeah, and I'll get that with you. Just miss my other list, and my tongue kind of goes off to the side, and my stomach come out, and you stab me throat. And I can't talk when it's loud.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I think I'm just going to work on a simple warning citation for you. It doesn't cost you any money, nothing like that. Just sit tight, okay? I'll be right back with you folks. I'm trying to pause the ID. Can you just stand by with the passenger?
The passenger?
Yeah.
Where were you guys headed before my partner?
Okay, well,
I'm going home. I had to go to the store. And I gotta head by that.
It happens.
I have to use the hygiene.
Can you hop out and talk to me real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Okay. I didn't do it.
I don't believe you did.
I didn't do it. Here you go. Yes, sir. What happened?
Come on over here. Hey, why is he lying about his name?
I have no idea. I haven't seen him for years.
Okay, who is that?
all back.
A friend I've known years ago.
Okay, James Bunch, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, that's
What
him.
was your name?
but
He's not really once or anything.
Huh?
yeah,
He's just on
I haven't
probation.
seen him for years.
James Bunch?
Years.
Okay.
He happened
Is that
to
the
come
name
over
you gave
my
my
house
partner?
and said, you know, did you give him my ID? No. Oh.
Oh, does he have anything we need to know about?
No.
Now's the time to tell me because I don't want
No,
someone.
I don't know. I just picked him up and
From
brought
where?
him with me. Over there on the west side. Right over there.
But that is
Yeah. Yeah. Like,
UNCH and his brother is the other one that roams around downtown, right?
yeah, like,
Okay.
I mean, but I haven't seen him for years. So I apologize. And he came to my house and said, hey, Linda, where are you?
Seatbelt? It's
But
on.
honestly, I haven't seen him at all. For a long
All
time.
right, just hang out here for a second.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Are you okay if I open your door, right?
Yes, sir. There's a dog back there. But yeah.
Can you lock this door, dude? Just stay right there. Alright, put your left hand on your head.
Left hand on my head.
Yes, your left hand on your head. And listen to my instructions. Do not make any movements.
Why not? What the hell? am I
Put your
doing?
left hand on your head.
Why?
and listen to my instructions.
What the hell did I do?
Don't worry about it. I will tell you right now. All right? So step on out. Step on out.
Don't reach down. Hey, don't reach down.
Look, dude,
I'm gonna fucking tase you.
Put your hand up.
Shit, man.
I'm gonna tase you.
You're not tasing me, bro.
B41, give me 1033. B41, shots fired. Suspect all the way. Get to cover. Get to cover.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Don't reach for that. Don't reach for it.
Crawl towards me. Crawl towards me.
Suspect is down. Officers at code 4. We are facing southbound towards Jack in the Box. Man, get over here.
Just keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her.
You got him?
Yeah.
Stay over here. Sit down.
I didn't know he had a gun.
Stay over here. Sit down.
Crawl towards me.
Cover my knee.
B41, 1141 to stage. Code 3. Don't reach for that gun.
Relax. We will get you help right now. Ambulance is on the way. We will get you help.
Crawl towards us. I'm gonna tase you.
You're not tasing me, bro.
B41, give me 1033. B41, shots fired. Suspect.
Oh, move out of the way.
Get to cover. Get to cover.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do not reach for that.
Don't reach for it.
Crawl towards me. Crawl towards me.
Suspect is down. Officers at code 4. We are facing southbound towards Jack in the Box. Man, get over here.
Just keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her.
You got him?
Yeah. Crawl towards me.
Code 3. Don't
Hey.
shoot that gun.
Relax. We will get you help right now. Ambulance is on the way. We will get you help.
Crawl towards us. Don't reach for that gun. Crawl towards us.
Hey, we're trying to help you out.
Incoming units come in to the east.
We're directly in front of Briggs. Hey, we're gonna help you out. All right, help is coming. Let me check on her.
Good. I got him. Keep your hands up, James. We're gonna get you help. Just don't move.
We will get that taken care of, all right, Linda? Just stay there, have a seat. Absolutely. We will get you help as well. We're gonna help you out right now, James.
Crawl towards us if you can. You good?
Yeah,
Check yourself. Make
I'm
sure you're
good.
not hit somewhere.
I'm good. We're gonna help you right now, James. The firearm is next to you. We gotta wait. All right? Just stay calm.
Hey, the gun's right next to him to the right. Okay. Keep an eye on that.
All right.
Hey, the driver's over here. She's a female. She's code 4.
Okay.
Just stay right there. All right. Put your left hand on your head.
Left hand on my head?
Yes, your left hand on your head. And listen to my instructions. Do not make any movements.
Why not? What the hell?
Put your left hand on your head
Why?
and listen to my instructions.
What the hell did I do?
Don't worry about it. I will tell you right now. All right? So step on out. Step on out.
Don't reach down. Hey, don't reach
Why
down.
not? Look, dude,
I'm
I ain't
gonna
got
fucking
shit going
tase you.
on.
Put your
I
hand
ain't got
up.
shit, man.
I'm gonna tase you.
You're not tasing me, bro.
B41, give me 1033. B41, shots fired. Suspect on the way. Get to cover. Get to cover.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground.
Don't reach for that!
Don't reach for it.
Crawl towards me! Crawl towards me!
Suspect is down. Officers are code 4. We are facing southbound towards Jack in the Box. Man, get over here. You know with the shield. He's eight.
I got a shield. Yep.
Gun to the right.
You guys have gloves?
Is there somebody still in the car?
Alright, leave the dog.
We have one lady.
We have the driver over here.
Somebody grab a med kit.
No one else codes sufficient.
I copy your incoming code sufficient.
You reach for that gun, we're going to shoot you again. Do you understand? Stop moving.
Let's try to stay away from that range.
Stay
Let's cover
still.
all the exits.
Stay still. Do not make any movements, alright?
Go ahead.
Guns on the right. You see alerts?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll go him. Where are you hit, man?
That's Arm 38. I want northbound. MLK shut down at Twalmy. Next thing coming.
Hey, where you at, man?
You got it out by waving on 41.
Yeah, they're good. Bring it in. Secure that gun.
I copy.
One, you.
Military copy.
Both here.
Call up 41 and fire cleared in.
I copy.
Have the ambulance come in through the Jack in the Box driveway on Paradise.
Copy.
Yeah, he's got one.
Is he shot in that leg too?
It looks like it. Actually, they're coming in right now, so just make sure they can get out. Got it? What's that leg here,
You got another tourniquet?
Modesto 101. Is there anyone outstanding?
Start CPR.
Unit 97 numbers.
Make sure you have the tourniquets on before we.
He's still got a pulse.
Before we
Yeah,
start
he's got a pulse. He's fine.
I copy. No one outstanding.
CPR needed.
Like it's 19 security supplies.
Get that twist out of there.
Go ahead and bring in the
You should think you copy.
log 2 tourniquets. That's it, just in the leg, sir?
I copy. 2 tourniquets supplied.
Nothing I can see until we roll him over.
Check the arms at all?
We haven't gone to the left arm or right arm yet. Just got some stuff working.
Can you get it any tighter?
We got some shears somewhere?
Can I get any tighter, you said?
Is it still bleeding?
Yeah.
No, he's okay.
No. See if we can find them. Yep.
Shears, you said?
Another set, yeah. Start cutting the arms off.
Good shot. Is that a taser dart? Oh, yeah, it is. You alright, buddy? We're helping you, alright? Ambulance is here. How can we help you?